So in this problem, A purchased the business of B. The profit for 3 years has been given 80, 86 and 84,000. So it was ascertained at the year of 86 there was a non-recurring income. So if it is a non-recurring income, that means திரும்ப வராத income அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். So that is non-recurring income. If this type of income will arises, you have to less it from the profit. 86 profit, we have to deduct this expenses, this income. And 87, there was a loss due to fire. So if any loss arises because of fire, then that expenses is not a recurring one. Fortunately or unfortunately, it's a rare case which has been arises. Because if any loss which has been arises because of fire, it's very rarely arises, so it is a non-recurring expenses. So if it is a non-recurring expenses, you have to add that amount 2,000, and it is decided to insure against risk of fire in future at an annual premium 500. So for the above losses, they didn't make any insurance, and in future they have decided to insure against the risk of fire, and for this you are going to pay a premium of 500. So it is an expenses. If you are going to pay a premium, then it is an expenses for that concern. It's a recurring. We have to regularly pay this expenses. And how to deal? It's not for a particular year. We are going to pay the expenses continuously. So how to deal this, we will see. A was employed at a salary of ₹1,000 per month before purchasing the business. He will replace the manager of the present business who is getting ₹750 per month. So here a person who is getting 1,000 per month is a salary before purchasing the business, and this person is replaced in a place of a manager. So already there was a manager who is working there, and that person is removed from that post, and now they employed A in that post. So that manager who already worked is getting a salary of 750. So hereafter we are not going to give this amount of salary. 750 is not going to be given, so it becomes an income. In future 750 we are not going to spend this expenditure, so it is an income for us. In future we are going to pay only 1,000 per month, so it becomes an expenditure. So first we have to less this 750 and this one 1,000 per month they have given, and that to be we have to deal in the profit here. So the goodwill, it is agreed to 2 years purchase of the average profit. So we need to find out the average profit and multiply this with that of the 2 years. 3 years profit has been already given. Now we have to see how we are going to work out this one. Here the year profit has been given 85 profit, there's no expenses or income. 86 profit, we are having a non-recurring income, so we have to less it. 87 profit, you are having a loss due to fire, and it is a non-recurring expenses, so we add that expenses. So add it. Total profit is 2,49,000. So we need average profit divided by 3, we get 83,000. So with a common profit we have to add or less the other expenditures or income. Here the manager's salary 750. Hereafter we are not going to give this salary. So 750 அப்படிங்கிற அந்த அமௌண்ட் வந்து இதுக்கப்புறம் அந்த மேனேஜருக்கு நம்ம கொடுக்க போகிறதில்ல. அவங்களுக்கு பதிலாக தான் புதுசாக 1000 ரூபாய்க்கு ஒருத்தங்களை வந்து ரீப்ளேஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். அப்படிங்கிறதுனால இந்த 750 வந்து நம்ம ஆட் பண்ணுறோம். இட் பிகேம்ஸ் அன் இன்கம். அதே 1000 அப்படிங்கிற போது இதுக்கப்புறம் நம்ம கொடுக்க போகிறோம், அதனால அதை வந்து நம்ம லெஸ் பண்ணுறோம். ஸோ 1000 × 12 அந்த அமௌண்ட் லெஸ் பண்ண போகிறோம். அண்ட் ப்ரீமியம் வந்து இதுக்கப்புறம் நம்ம பே பண்ண போகிறோம், அதனால அந்த அமௌண்ட்டையும் லெஸ் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஸோ த ஆவரேஜ் மெயின்டைனபிள் ப்ராஃபிட் ஆஃப்டர் தட் வி கெட் இட் is 79,500. We need goodwill for 2 years, so we multiplied it with 2, we get 1,59,000 as a goodwill. So you please see this video, and if you have any doubt, please ask it immediately.